Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So today I have another beautiful wig that I would like to review for you, and this is from the Ultra Wigpop line, and I will be modeling for you the color DR2 Golden Amber. So if you are interested in seeing what she looks like on before you purchase it, I want you to stay tuned. But before I go to put the wig on, I invite you to join the EB family. I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, hit it now. It won't hurt, it won't bite. Just go ahead and press that button. Hit the notification bell in the process so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. So here's Gavina out of the pack. Again, I am wearing that DR2 Golden Amber. Let's look at the inside of the wig. She does have, this is the construction. Let me start there. She does have two combs, one position on each side. It's the standard size comb. Again, this is what the combs look like on each side. You do have a comb at the nape of the wig, and we do have the adjustable band. Let's put her on and come back. The only thing I'm seeing now is I'm not too fond of this parting here, but we're gonna see what she looks like. Be back in a second. Okay, I just placed her on, hadn't done anything but just put her on, and that's what I like about the Wigpop line. Their styles are kind of instant. You know, you might have to manipulate it a little bit, but I just kind of placed the wig on, hadn't combed it or anything. I'm gonna come up close again. The color is DR2 Golden Amber. Let's just kind of finger her out. She looks like one of the wigs I've reviewed in the past. I'm gonna link that video somewhere up above here. She looks very similar to that one. I didn't bring my comb. With all of this stuff back here, don't have a comb. But she's coming along. Look at that. I think I love this length. I think that's what it is. I'm loving the short lengths, and I'm also loving the I guess to the shoulder look. This is actually up a little bit more than just the shoulder. So she's coming along. We'll be back in a second, and I'll let you see all sides of Gavina. Don't go anywhere. I'm back, and Gavina is ideal for me. She's one of those wigs you could wear to work, you could wear to a nice brunch out with your friends, and she still looks great. She was easy just to put on. I ran my fingers through her and she was ready. Okay, let me go ahead and do my turn so that you can see different sides of this particular wig. I am loving her. She is easy to wear. She fits very comfortably on my head. So tell everybody, friends, family, look in the description box below so that you can see the different colors that this particular wig comes in. Also, I will link where I purchased this particular wig from, the cost. All of that will be provided down below. I want to go ahead and thank all of you right now for joining the EB family by subscribing. So thank you very much. I know you did that earlier throughout the video before we started. So thank you so very much. Hopefully I have given you some information that if you were on the fence about buying this wig, don't be. Get off the fence, go ahead, pull the link up, order it, and it'll be to you shortly. So don't fear. I think you'll love it. It is beautiful. Until next time, I want you to take care of yourself and definitely each other. And we'll be back next week, folks. Take care.